Good morning, students. On Monday we have done topic pronouns. Now reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns means going back to itself. Examples are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves and themselves. Just look at the examples in the form of sentence also. He cut himself while shaving. I sent myself to bed. She trusts herself. In these sentences, himself, myself, herself, these are the cases of reflexive pronouns. Always remember that reflexive pronoun comes after verb. Look at the first sentence, he cut himself. Himself comes after cut. I sent myself. Myself comes after the verb sent. She trusts herself. Herself comes after the verb trust. Now the next is emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns are the pronouns which are used to emphasize nouns and pronouns. Examples are same of reflexive pronoun: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves and themselves. Look at the examples in the form of sentence. I myself baked the cake. The queen herself recommended this restaurant. Have you yourself been there? In these sentences, myself, herself and yourself are the emphatic pronouns. Look carefully. Emphatic pronouns always come after subject. I, myself. I is a subject and myself comes after it. The queen, herself. The queen is a subject. Have you, yourself. You is a subject here. Emphatic pronouns always come after subject. Yes, students, again, difference between reflexive and emphatic pronouns. As I have already told you, emphatic pronouns are used after the subject. Reflexive pronouns are used after the verb. For example, she blamed herself for the loss. This is an example of reflexive pronoun. Herself comes after the verb blamed. She herself is to blame for the loss. This is the example of emphatic pronoun. Herself is an emphatic pronoun and it comes after the subject she. Now, next pronoun is relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are the pronouns that show relation. These pronouns link different parts of a sentence. We often see them when we need to add some more information. For example, who, whom, whose, which, that, what, whatever, whoever, whomever, whichever. Sentences are: the girl who called yesterday came to see you. The teacher whom you wrote yesterday has answered your questions. I really liked the book that you gave me. We can't tell you what you should do. Who, whom, that, what are the examples of relative pronouns. Remember, always relative pronouns come in between the sentence to link different part of the sentence and to give some more information. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns, as the name suggests, don't point to particular nouns, and indefinite pronouns are used to refer to people and things in general. Example: anyone, anything, anybody, everybody, everything, everyone, little, much, nobody, nothing, either, neither, one, no one, someone, somebody, something. These pronouns are taken as singular indefinite pronouns. Both, few, others, many, several. These pronouns are taken as plural indefinite pronouns. Sentences are: everyone is ready here. Nobody was found guilty in the case. Most wealth is held by a select few. All of the players we count on are out of form. In these sentences, everyone, nobody, few, all, these are indefinite pronouns, as these do not point out towards any particular nouns. Yes, students, sometimes the question is asked from you to tell the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. Always remember, a possessive pronoun is used in place of a noun, but a possessive adjective is always placed before a noun. Look at the examples. This dress is mine. Mine is an example of possessive pronoun. This is my dress. My is an example of possessive adjective, as my is placed before a noun, dress. Now, another difference between demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. The rule is same. Demonstrative pronoun is placed in place of a noun, and demonstrative adjective is placed before a noun. Look at these sentences. This is my bag. This is an example of demonstrative pronoun. This bag is mine. Mine is an example of demonstrative adjective, as it is used before a noun, bag. Always remember, when this, that, my, mine, these words are used before a noun, it is a case of adjective. Otherwise, it is a pronoun.